Hello guys, welcome to your own YouTube channel Tech Forest. My name is Bhavesh, trainer of this entire Sophos series. Today we will see how to roll back firewall firmware. Few days back I upgraded my client's firewall from version 17 to version 18. After upgradation everything was working, but we observed one major changes. Before upgrade, we have around 100 firewall rules, but after upgrade, we found every firewall rule was splitted into 2 to 3 part for netting and routing rule. And now there is around 300 plus rules. And my client said, we can't manage firewall like this. Just restore the firewall like earlier. So reason could be anything that you may require your earlier firmware. So let's see how to restore firewall firmware version. But before proceeding, make sure you already have taken backup of your configuration file. Go to this backup and firmware option. Click on firmware option. Here you can see this yellow indication means currently Sophos 18.0.3 MR-3 is active. You can also see this by clicking on Sophos. Here you can see existing firmware version 18.0.3. So here you have feature to roll back to earlier version. Our earlier version was 18.0.1 MR1 and current version is 18.0.3 MR3. So from using this option, boot firmware image, you can roll back your existing firmware to earlier firmware. Here you can see one more option, that upload firmware. If you have a ISO image or a backup image, so here you can choose the location for earlier firmware version, or you can directly click on this option for booting this firewall with this MR version. On a third option, here you can see boot with factory default configuration. Do not click this option. Currently we want to keep our configuration same, but we want to change our firmware version only. So I'm clicking on this option, boot firmware image. Here it's showing system will reboot immediately and the firmware will be replaced as an active firmware. Are you sure want to apply the firmware version, my old version? I'm clicking on OK, but make sure that it's not recommended to do in a peak hours because it will reboot your firewall and terminate all the live connection. So make sure you are not doing this in a peak hours. So just click on OK to proceed this process. Now it will reboot your firewall. It will take little bit time. Have patience. Do not turn off or make any changes while the upgradation process is going on. Make sure your firewall is connected with the UPS power only. So let's wait for the completion. So here you can see on our top our restoration has been done successfully, and if we want to cross check we can click on this backup and firmware and this firmware option. Here you can see yellow indication mark is showing in a front of 18.0.1. So this is enough for today's video. If you are liking my work and effort, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video. See you in a next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.